Imran, who said that a Muslim judge issues a divorce? Divorce is initiated by the man, the husband. He either says it in the present tense, I divorce you, or in the past tense, you are divorced, as an adjective. So this is valid. No Tom, Dick, or Harry can come and divorce a woman without the approval or the consent of the husband. This is his wife. He has the right to divorce her. If he doesn't want to divorce her, she could file for khul'. And khul' is when life is unbearable or she has a legitimate reason, she steps forward and bargains with her husband. I'll give you my dowry back. I'll give you 50% of it, 20%, any financial compensation. The husband says, okay, might as well. And he accepts taking this financial compensation. This is called khul', initiated by the wife in return of financial compensation. If the husband doesn't want to, and life is unbearable, they can't go on, here they go to the Muslim judge, the authorized person in charge of their Islamic affairs in that country, the authorized imam. She presents her case. The imam summons him, talks to him, and if he finds that she has all the right to separate from him, but the man is defiant, he doesn't want to, now he steps in and says, with the powers given to me as the authorized imam, I can invalidate or revoke the marriage due to these circumstances, and this woman now is free to go and she's free from the marriage, even if the husband does not want it, because he is transgressing. He's defiant. He wants to harm the woman. So this is the sum up of the marriage and divorce, and I hope this makes sense to you.